Hey, what's going on, world of YouTube? We got a couple things for today, so hang tight. Alright, I finally done it. I broke down and bought me a set of vampires. Model number VT, that's Victor Tom -001. This is a 6 1/4 inch or 160 millimeter for you guys on the metric system. I bought these. Nobody sent them to me. They were not provided. But guys, they work. The hype is real. They're awesome. I use these on some CB screws on electronic. I love the way these sit on there. We'll talk about that in a second. But anywho, on the side of a CB, you got 4 screws either side. Well, screws were stripped out. These are real small machine screws. You can get like 100 of them for 10 cents. I mean, they're kind of cheap screws, but anywho, they were stripped out, and I tried it with either needle nose or other pliers, and I just couldn't get a bite on me. It just kept slipping off. The other day, the gear wrench and SK tool truck rolled around. I have seen these on there. So I bit the bullet, bought these off of the tool truck, which only cost me about $4. Yeah, $4 more than if I'd ordered them off of Amazon or anything like that. But hey, that $4 was well worth it. I had them in my hands ready to go right that second. Anywho, see if we can get you in here to the teeth. So right in here, you got your traditional lines going side to side, but you also have them going up and down. That makes for biting into them screws real nice. Does have a set of wire cutters down here and spring loaded. You can remove the spring if you want to, but guys, they fit in the hand real nice. They're not awkward. You can grab from about any position, and they're spring loaded to help keep from you doing the two and one finger trick there. So there's times, see, I'll hold in my hand. Let me get back down here in the camera. I'm really not, see, I really wasn't holding on to it. It's got a good spring in there. It'll fly right open for you. But made in Japan, and which Japan still, we all know, is pretty good, decent steel. But now the cap goes on pretty easy. You can mash it on down, but it's made out of the same material as the grips. But if you're one of the guys that usually carry something of this nature, small player, pliers, something in your pocket, well, you don't have to worry about when you go to pull these out of your pocket that your cap's just going to fly off and you're going to lose it. It actually sticks on there pretty tight, but goes back on pretty easy. But it's got the metal running through the handle down through here. There's a T-shaped design. See if we can get you a little better picture of those grooves. I don't know if the camera picked it up a minute ago, but just about no matter what screw you have, if you can get halfway on there, I feel them's going to bite and do well very well for you. On the back, here's all your blobbity blah stuff. And you can go straight to their website at vampiretools.com. Now when you go to their website, look around and stuff, you decide to purchase anything, type in coupon code ATV15 when you go check out. You get 15% off and free shipping. Now, I don't get no kickbacks from that. I actually owned these before I ever contacted Vampire. So, this isn't a paid promotion or commercial, nothing of that nature. But I'm letting you know, for guys that haven't seen these before, and didn't know that there are, some other guys out here that we've got a coupon code. But they got that set up, so anybody, my viewers, or, tell your friends, your coworker, whatever, if they, talking about getting some of these, tell them to use that coupon code ATV15 and get them 15% off free shipping. So, guys, the hype's real on them. I don't know what else to say about them. They're great. I love the way the grip is. I mean, that looks like some 80s Transformers cartoon stuff from back in the day when we was kids. But the finish on them, real nice. There's no, bad machining marks, nothing like that. Really, really good set. The Vampire Tools guys are affordable. They're really, really affordable. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not going like you walked into Big Lots or the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store and get a pair of their pliers for $1. No, it's not that. I feel these are going to last quite a while, and I will be purchasing more. What's up, y'all? Nah, what's up, world of YouTube? We've got Cornwell haul. Cornwell? In this garage? Huh. Nope. Yeah, okay, yeah. We got some Cornwell in here. Guys, I actually like some Cornwell tools. They're more down to earth on a lot of their prices versus some of the other tool trucks. But this is a 12-piece set. The feel of the material, the black is rubberized, the green is a hard plastic, but it's 4-way, 4 flats here, rounded back here, and get you a little twist in action, put some torque on some. But I really like these. I'm about to say something, it may piss some people off, but I might like them better than these. Get one out here. One, the Cornwell lime green, it's a brighter but deeper, richer green. But I'm not here all just over a color. From handle to handle, the Cornwell is a little bit longer. I'd say ½ an inch. Snap-on's pick is a little bit longer, just by a smidge. Hooks are a little different. But this one here may be able to do some stuff that the snap-on one can't. Try and get these to where they're in picture. Everybody can see what I'm talking about here and which one's which. But the Snap-on one might not be able to hold up to what some pressure that the Cornwell one might be able to produce, you know, or get applied to it, I ought to say. But another thing I really liked about this set, I got the 12-piece set with a lifetime warranty, just a few dollars more than I got this whole 4-piece set of the short pick set from Snappy. Now, I do like my Snap-on, I do, but my opinion, I'm entitled to it, my opinion, Cornwell kicked Snap-on's ass on this deal. You guys, find you a Cornwell dealer. I don't know if they're still on promo. I got this set on promo. You've got numerous different picks. You know, you got 8 long, 12 short. About every pick you should about ever need is in this set. Now, the case for the tray's actually about the exact same quality as the Snap-on ones. It's a little not cheap flimsy. It's flexible flimsy, but in a good way. But I say it's gonna hold. Wow, that was loud. It's gonna hold up for a while. Get that right there. Right here's your part number. Charlie, Tom, George, 1, 2, Henry, Paul, Sam, George. 12-piece hook and pick set. But it includes, I'm trying to do this so the overhead light ain't glaring on it. Hook, complex, a 90 straight, combination 45 pick with a flat top, double angle, half circle, precision 90, precision straight, precision hook, and precision offset. I picked them up. The sale price was $70. Like I said, guys, 4 from Snap-on is $50. So $20 more. I got 8 more picks, and they're the long ones. Get on these. Get this set. It's a good set, guys. Hey, just a quick one. Try not to make it too long. Hit that subscribe button down there. Give the video a big old thumbs up. None of that stuff costs y'all anything. But hey, I appreciate y'all for joining me today, watching my video. We'll catch you in the next one. We'll see you.